I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Thanks for checking out this very late night, or by the time this gets uploaded, probably early morning weather webcast as we look ahead to the next work week. Do want to give an update on what you can expect for the rest of the evening and the very cold temperatures that are going to be moving through the area starting Monday. Hope you enjoyed the mild weekend. This is a look at radar close to 11 o'clock, and you can see some rain right now along the I-55 corridor, Pontiac to Bloomington. Some moderate showers right now over towards the Twin Cities. All of this activity moving to the north and east. There is a little line here. You can see a few isolated showers here in Mason County, and then stretches down towards Menard County. And then close to the capital city down towards Springfield, that's moving to the north and east. There's not a whole lot back to the west. I'm going to flip over to my other computer here and kind of show you a broader perspective of kind of what's going on. You could see with this loop here, it's a little choppy, but really the heaviest rain is either way south of us, way north of us, or east of us. And then there's not a whole lot back out to the west here. So we'll still have a few sprinkle chances, I think, as we head through the overnight hours, but for the most part, I think most areas should be dry. I'm going to go to the end of the loop here, and I'm going to turn on temperatures. As of close to 11 o'clock when I'm recording this, again, still pretty mild right now in Peoria, 65 degrees, pretty windy, getting wind speeds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Seeing gusts up to close to maybe 25 to 30 miles per hour. And that's because of a cold front that's going to be moving through. Look at this temperature change just to our west. We're seeing mid-30s out towards Iowa. In fact, if I flip on the winter mask there, yep, indeed, there is snow falling right now. Heavy snow, it looks like, over towards Omaha, Nebraska. All of this moving to the north and east. And we actually may have a chance for a few snowflakes as we head through the day tomorrow. First, I'll talk about that in just a second. First, I do want to talk about the short term this evening. If you're getting ready to head to bed, you were worried about severe weather. We're not worried about severe weather this evening. This is the HRRR model. This is a short-range model that we look at. Updates every hour, goes out 15 hours in advance. And the timestamp that you see here is an Eastern time, so subtract 1 hour from that. And that's at midnight. You can see a few isolated showers here and there. Maybe a rumble thunder, can't rule it out, but I think those will be few and far between. Again, no severe weather expected. We'll take you into the 6 a.m. hour. Most of the precipitation out of here, and let's go to around 11 o'clock in the morning. Should be dry. Now, I'm going to flip over to, this is the North American model, and this is the 4-kilometer data. And we'll take you through, let me go ahead and start from the beginning here. And again, time is an Eastern time here. So that is 6 o'clock in the morning. And we go through the day. That's at noon. And again, matching up with the HRRR model and dry. But look what happens as we get later on into the afternoon. This would be about 5 o'clock. Evening drive. Seeing some precipitation here, and notice this right here, a little bit of a changeover, possibly some wet snow that will roll in 5, 6, 7 o'clock. We'll have to kind of fine-tune the timing on this tomorrow morning with some of the shorter range model runs, but certainly the potential that we could see some snow falling. Won't see a whole lot of it in the way of accumulation, especially on the roadways. Certainly, though, we could see some on grassy surfaces, so we'll keep an eye on that. The system should mix out of here around 10 or 11 o'clock at night, and we'll be just left with very chilly temperatures. These are the temperatures. I'm going to skip ahead to the beginning here and show you what kind of temps we can expect. Mild through the next couple of hours, and then you're going to see a big drop. It's going to be much colder when you're waking up tomorrow morning. That's at 6 a.m. There's Peoria. 43 is what this model is advertising. And really don't warm up much during the afternoon, probably hanging in the mid-40s. And then as we get deeper on into the evening, freezing mark close to 11 o'clock tomorrow night, and this is taking us to the mid-20s. As you wake up Tuesday morning, that's at 7 o'clock. Look at that. The entire state falling into the 20s. And not that far away, you get north of Illinois, southern Wisconsin, seeing temperatures falling to the teens. Yikes. Here is the plots. This is a meteogram. This has got all the colors here represented by different model runs. And you can see a lot of consistency here as far as the temperatures go. And there's your temperatures on the left. And this takes us through Monday. You can see those temperatures just kind of leveling off a little bit into the afternoon and then dropping like a rock, mid-20s as we head through the overnight tomorrow night. Tuesday again looks to be pretty chilly, somewhere in the mid-40s it looks like. Overnight lows right around the freezing mark. And then we go back up to around 50 degrees, maybe a little bit warmer than that for Wednesday. So we're going to be well below average. We should be around 61 for this time of year. Starting to warm up a little bit, though, second half of the week. Thursday, we should at least make a run at 60 degrees. Friday, maybe a little bit cooler, back into the mid-50s, and then we'll be back, it looks like, close to the 60s. We head into Easter weekend next weekend. So significant changes on the way, for sure, after a very nice weekend. We had temperatures in the 70s for the first time starting Friday. First time since November, mid-November. And we had 80s on Saturday in Peoria, first time since October. So it's been a long time, obviously, with the top 10, one of the top 10 coldest winters on record, snowiest winter on record. Not quite done just yet, unfortunately, though, now as we start to transition to the middle portions of April. We'll give you another update early tomorrow morning on what we can expect and try to fine-tune the potential for a little bit of light snow for your Monday evening, and continue to track these chilly temperatures as we roll through the next couple of days. I know a lot of people may be out hitting the lawns pretty hard this weekend, maybe getting some plants in the ground. Do keep in mind that everybody's going to get below freezing Monday night, so make sure you're taking precautions on some of that tender vegetation that you may have already put in the ground Monday night, probably Tuesday night as well. Another update coming for you, looks like early Monday morning, and we'll, of course, keep you updated on social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Have a great night, and we'll talk to you soon.